Hello guys, it's me Gaming for Legend. Today I will be showing you how to get Itube in 2018 for iPhone. So just follow these easy steps to get it and listen to that beautiful music you listen to offline without internet. So the first thing you're gonna be doing is I have a link in the description. You're just gonna click on that. It will bring you here. When you're here, you're just gonna scroll down until you see this link, blue link thing. Just gonna click on that and it will ask you to open App Store. So you're just gonna open App Store and it will bring you to Player GR. Download this app, and when you're done downloaded it, just go and open the app. When you open the app, here I've been using it lately a little bit, so I'm just gonna show you that it's really working. Let's search for a song now here, right? Okay, let's play this one. Alright, you see the orange thing when it's loading? That means you can listen to the song. You can listen to the song offline without the internet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment if you face any problems or anything, and subscribe for more. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.